Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on your home Chromebook. First, ensure your Chromebook supports the Google Play Store. Navigate to your settings, find apps, and enable the Google Play Store. Once enabled, open the Play Store, search for Roblox, and install the official application. After installation, simply open the app, log in with your existing Roblox account, or create a new one if you're a first-time player. This is often the simplest and most direct method for enjoying Roblox on your device. Another robust option involves using Linux Beta on your Chromebook. Begin by enabling Linux in your Chromebook settings. Once set up, you'll need to install a compatibility layer like Wine, which allows Windows applications to run. Download the Roblox player for Windows from the official Roblox website. Then, use Wine within your Linux environment to install and launch the Roblox player. This method offers more flexibility, but requires a bit more technical setup. For those seeking an alternative without local installation, cloud gaming services are an excellent choice. Platforms such as Boosteroid or Now, GG allow you to stream Roblox directly to your Chromebook. You'll need a stable and fast internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or higher, to ensure a smooth experience. Subscribe to your chosen service, launch Roblox through their interface, and play without needing to install anything directly on your device. This bypasses many compatibility issues. To enhance your Roblox experience, consider a few performance optimization tips. Always close any unnecessary browser tabs or background applications to free up system resources. Within Roblox, adjust the in-game graphics settings to a lower level for smoother gameplay. Keep your Chromebook's operating system updated to the latest version. For optimal performance, a Chromebook with at least 8 GB of RAM is highly recommended, providing a more fluid and responsive gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.